Hello, this is VU3 Tango Bravo uniform. Here comes an antenna story. It all started with this kind of telescopic material or pipe available from Amazon, and it's around 300 rupees plus or minus. So that's idea came from VU2 X-ray Tango Oscar Goban and his full support 24/7. He was always supporting for everything, each inch of this product or this testing or the experiment, whatever it is called. So this is a kind of Buddipole where you have two telescopes kick antenna going both the side, as we can see it here. This design is for 20 meter and others below that. So over the design, this comes like this. This telescope is 8 feet. 8 feet is the total length, and there is a inductance that's a 15 turns, 15 turns, 2 centimeter dia, also 220 meter length also of the turn on this pipe. This is total dia is 2 and made a hole like this. So from here the hole goes inside and the wire goes to the telescopic material. It's a winding and there is a soldering. So that's a strong connection there, and comes to the winding here 15 turns, and after that it goes to the SO239 here, and the same replicated in the other side. And overall build was not that easy because the inductance and other parameters were not matching when I was randomly building it. Then I used LCR meter to understand the number, the values of this inductance, and used online calculator also to understand how much it will value if we wind on a pipe a coil like this. And after that it is like 15 turns right now, and it is tuned to 14.100 like 20 meter band. The bandwidth is like 300 to 500 kilohertz. Bandwidth is very smooth bandwidth on 1.0. So this is the calculation of the same. The total, this distance is 5 centimeter here, from here SO2 till the our telescopic material, and including the winding. And this telescopic material is coming just here only. So here there is a small gap where that is covered by this copper wire inside. So that will act as an antenna part. It can be the part of the same telescope. Telescope comes and little bit of the copper wire inside. After that the winding, then after that there is a copper wire going into the SO239. This, if based on this adjustment of this telescope, without any tuner we can tune into 20 and 15, 10 or anything below that. So again I would like to thank VU2 X-ray Tango Oscar Goban for 24/7 support from many days. I started experimenting with a vertical, then switched it to Buddipole. Vertical is working fine, and vertical is also kind of same tuning, like 3.64 microhenries plus this 8 foot going up that way, and few earth radials or this counterpoises. The more number of the counterpoise, it will be better. That is tested on this building 5th floor as well as on the hill. That was working fine with good reports, at least from the Indian stations VU, not worked on DX any. Thank you for watching. Any clarification or any doubt about this build, I can explain, and it is easy to build with this particular configuration. Again, depends on the environment we are testing, depends on the metal and other objects around. There may be slight variations, but that can be adjusted with the telescope, because it is right now 7.5 instead of 8. 7.5 means 7.5 total. This 40 centimeter is the length of I think 30 centimeter is each piece of this, like 8 pieces. So 7 piece plus 15 centimeter is tuned right now. Based on this adjustment, we can adjust minute adjustments of SWR to bring down into 1.0, means 1:1. Receiving only tested on this. Transmission is not yet tested. I'll be testing it soon whenever 20 meter is available and whenever time matches with my schedule. Thank you for watching. All the very best for your experiments too. This is VU3 Tango Bravo Uniform signing clear. Bye bye.